Hello children, today I'm going to tell you a story of an old MacDonald who was having a farm. So, are you ready? Once upon a time, there was an old MacDonald who had a farm. But now he's getting really old and he can't keep up with the farm anymore. So he decided to call all the animals and share this news. But children, do you know what are farm animals? Animals that live on the farm and help by giving food or working in the farm are called farm animals. First one he called was Mr. Cow. Mr. Cow, I think I'm getting really old and I can't keep up with this farm anymore. I want you to go out and find a new place or a new house. And you know what did the cow say? No, I don't want to go. I like to moo here and the moo there. But cow, you can live free in long grasslands. Eat whatever you like and drink whatever you want. But the cow said, I want to be useful. I want to give milk and take care of my calves. Then old MacDonald said, all right, you can stay in your shed. Okay, bye-bye cow. And then he called Mr. Dog. Hello, Mr. Dog. I'm getting really old and sick. I can't keep up with this farm anymore. Can you just go? And the dog said, No, I don't want to go. I like to rough here and the rough there. But, Mr. Dog, you can live on wide streets. Eat whatever you like, drink whatever you want, and be free. And the dog said, I want to be useful. I want to take care of my puppies and protect your farm from all the bad creatures. I will do the safety of your farm. I will keep it safe. All right, I will keep you in my farm. Bye-bye. And then old MacDonald called Mr. Pig. Hello, Mr. Pig. I'm getting really old and sick. And I can't keep up with this farm anymore. I want you to go. Mr. Pig said, No, I don't want to go. I like to oink here and the oink there. But Pig, you can be free. You can eat whatever shit you want from the street and live freely and drink anything from the garbage bins and be free. I don't want your smelling granger in my farm. And the piggy said, No, I will help you eating all the worms from the ground. And that way I will keep your farm neat and clean. All right, then you can stay. Bye-bye, Mr. Piggy. And then old MacDonald called Mr. Rabbit. Mr. Rabbit, how are you? I'm getting really old and sick and I can't keep up with this farm anymore. I want you to go. No, Mr. MacDonald, I don't want to go. I like to hop here and a hop there. But Rabbit, you can live anywhere. Find a new burrow for yourself. Go inside, come out, hop, eat whatever you want from any farm out there. But the Rabbit said, I want to be useful. I provide you a good manure for your farm and your vegetables. Your fruits will come nicely and they will grow up very big and juicy. Alright, you want to be useful? Then you can stay. Bye-bye, Rabbit. The next one he called was Mr. Sheep. Hello, Sheep. How are you? I'm getting really old and sick. I can't keep up with this farm anymore. I want you to go. No, I don't want to go. I like to meh here and the meh there. But Mr. Sheep, we don't need your wools in summers. You can live on hills and feel cold and enjoy your natural habitat. No, but the sheep said, I want to be useful. I will live in your farm and give you wool so that you can wear them next winters. Then the old MacDonald said, all right, then you can stay. Bye-bye, sheep. Next he called was Mr. Mouse. Hello, Mouse. I'm getting old and sick. I can't keep up with this farm anymore. I want you to go live freely. Can you please go? And then the mouse said, No, I don't want to go. I like to squeak here and the squeak there. But Mouse, you create a lot of trouble. You spread lot of dirtiness around. I think you can live freely. Eat whatever you like from their house. The person who is listening to me right now, you can go to their house too. Amira, can this mouse come to your house? Oh, you don't want mouse? They are nice. You can take one. But Mr. Mouse said, No, Old MacDonald, I want to stay in your farm. I love staying here in my hole. I promise I will not make more mess. All right, okay then, you can stay here. Thank you, Mr. Mouse said. All right, now as my friends, my animals are taking good care of my farm, I think I will let it be, so that you can enjoy your favorite song.